The MS in Semiconductor Engineering emphasizes real-world experiential learning, which means engagement with industry, both in terms of projects, but also in coursework, where we use industry-relevant tools. This program is intended to feed you directly into the hottest companies in Silicon Valley and beyond.
The semiconductor field, I think, is at a pivot point. You have heard about chip shortages, but I think in the next 5 to 10 years is chip engineer shortage.
Engineers are needed who not only understand chip design, but they understand the manufacturing, the materials, the process control, the statistics.
We are taking the idea of experiential learning and we are amping up by bringing the master students very close to the industry relevant experience and research opportunities.
In all of our classes, we actually have hands-on projects. We work on actual hardware like an FPGA board, and in other times we'll incorporate commercial tools for synthesizing and design.
One example for that is tape-out class. Students start with an architectural development of a CMOS IC through the final fabrication of their design within a commercial CMOS foundry. Such an experience is invaluable because they will be directly learning the skills that are relevant to research and industry.
We are very open to working with students of all levels on cutting-edge research of your choice.
We have the open door policy, so any student can walk into our lab and talk with us on what we are working on and see if there is a project fit.
We know like every professor and every professor knows us. So this is like a really like small community.
In Oakland, we really wanted to focus on people that would take advantage of our location to engage more with industry. One of the things that we emphasize are co-ops, and being located close to companies is really important.
We as faculty have contacts to all major semiconductor companies ranging from NVIDIA, Google, Apple, Texas Instruments, Qualcomm, Broadcom.
We can guide you to the correct direction and also introduce you to the right person.
I was able to find an internship at NXP Semiconductors, and it was a wonderful experience getting the industry exposure and see what's the actual difference between academic research and industry research.
The Bay Area is really a hotbed for everything that's happening in technology today.
If you want to do an intern, you just drive to the South Bay. If you wanted to do like collaborated with a national lab, you just drive to Berkeley.
Really, it's all happening here. For electrical engineering, there's really no better place.